The church behind me here, the Church of Panay, was first constructed around 1770, but then heavily damaged in a typhoon 100 years later. But also in 1880, the Philippines were still pretty much a Spanish colony. As you can see, the church is being remodeled at the moment. Around 1600, this area here was Christianized by the Spanish. The church here was built in 1770, but then heavily damaged by a typhoon about 100 years later, and then reconstructed as best as they could. However, the Spanish influence can be seen everywhere. At the time, 1880, even Philippines were pretty much a Spanish colony, very much under Spanish rule. And I'm fascinated by the fact how much these churches here, these old Spanish churches, resemble churches that I've seen in Mexico. As you may know, for centuries there were very strong ties between the Philippines and Mexico. The Philippines were de facto governed by the Spanish Vice Kingdom in Mexico, and there was a lot of trade going on between the Philippines, the harbor of Acapulco in Mexico. So again, this reminds me a lot of my time in Mexico. And it's surprising to see a church like this around 10-15 kilometers inland from Bye Bye Beach, where I'm staying at the moment, and not even Rojas City has a church like that. So pretty much in the middle of nowhere, you have this impressive church.